Good morning, friends. Happy Friday. I hope you have a great weekend. Today we are going to learn about the third R. So we know the first R is reduce, the second R is reuse, and the third R is recycle. Can you say that big word for me? Recycle. Again, recycle. Good job. I'm going to remind us of what the word recycle means from the chart behind us. Okay, so the word recycle in blue is using trash to remake new goods that can be sold. So there are a few categories of recycle. There is metal. Let me show you so you can read along with me. There is metal, plastic, paper, and glass. These all, when they get recycled, go in different cans, different garbage cans. So we're going to pretend, can you see this picture? And in the photo, it shows you what should be put in what bin and by colors. So for this video, we are going to pretend that I have little garbage cans or pails or bins, however you say that word. I have one for glass. We're just going to pretend today because the big ones I have don't fit on the camera. We have paper. We have plastic. And we have metal. So these are my 4 little categories for when I decide to recycle. So there's metal. There's plastic, there's paper, and there's glass. So now I'm going to bring out a couple of materials and we're going to look at them and then I'm going to sort them with you. So here I have a bunch of stuff that looks like this. You guys know what this represents? If you said paper, that's correct. I'm going to put that more in the front. I have this big thing. It's a can. I have more cans. And I have a few plastic bottles. I just said the word. And I have some glass. You hear that? It makes a different sound than plastic. When you bang plastic together, they make different sounds. Okay. So when you are looking at something like a can is considered metal. So a can would go in our metal recyclable bin. Also, when you look at cans, if you look very close, I'm going to get as close as I can to the camera. Can you see that that's a recyclable symbol, right? A recycle symbol right there on the can. So I know that this can be recycled and this is a can which is metal. So it would go in my metal bin. This is a top of a can and look at it. It has the big recycle symbol on it. So I know that this is the top of a can which is metal. So it goes in the metal bin. Let's change it up. What is this? I spoke about it to you, I think, in the previous video. What do you think this is? It's a plastic bottle. So it would go in the plastic bin. So at home, when you do throw out your garbage, you should now start sorting them by metal, plastic, paper, and glass. What is this? It's a Post-it note. And it says, I heart my friends. Where would I put a Post-it note? Look, it rips a little bit. So it's paper. So we would put it in the paper garbage bin. Remember, we're pretending these are garbage bins. At home, you can get bigger bins to do this. But Miss Trophy wants to make sure it's all on the video. So she's using the little ones. Oops. Again, what is this? It's a soup can. So what do you think the soup can is? It's metal. Good job. And I did want to show you that I seen right here. It says, please recycle all the way at the bottom of the can. right here. It says a little symbol that says please recycle. And I just told you it's a can, and cans are metal. Can everybody say cans are metal? So they go in the metal bin. So our metal bin's got a lot in there. What is this container? I unfortunately could not find the symbol on this container, but they normally are on plastic bottles and plastic containers. So maybe you guys can search for me and take pictures and send me, if you find on a plastic bottle or container, the symbol that says recycle. The symbol should look something like this. It always looks the same, but it could be different colors. So this is plastic, so it's gonna go in our plastic bin. This is the similar container. It is also plastic. It was my yogurt container from lunch before. What do you think what container or bin should it go in? Plastic. This is just some white paper that I want to throw out. Where should it go? Remember, our categories are metal, plastic, paper, and glass. So where should this white paper go? If you said the paper bin, you are correct, and I'm going to fold it to reduce the space in my paper bin. What is this? This is a glass bottle. Where should this go? Should I put it in the metal? No. Should I put it with the plastic? It's glass. No. Should I put it with the paper? No. It should go in this little glass container, which I'm going to kind of move a little bit more to the front so you can better see it. What is this? It's a piece of a newspaper. Where do you think that I should throw this one into? Should I do it into the metal, the glass, the plastic, or the last one, which is correct, it's paper. So I'm going to fold it to reduce it so I can fit it in my bin. And I have a final one. What is this? I know it's hard to see, so I'm going to let you know that this is a little glass jar that had some cream in it. Where should I put this in? What bin? We have metal, plastic, paper, and glass. It is a glass little jar, so it should go with the glass, which is with the glass bottle. Perfect, guys. So I'm going to re-show you this picture. And we just sorted all of this stuff in our own bins today. How exciting. Do you think in your house you can go around and sort metals, plastics, paper, and glass? So let me show you the picture one more time. I want you to go home today and recycle metals in a bin, plastics in a bin, paper in another bin, and glass in another bin. And please take pictures and send them over to me so I can see what you guys are doing. Oh, Miss Santos is going to come on and show you other ways of recycling as well. Bye, friends. I hope you have a great weekend, and I really, really miss you guys so much. And I can't wait till I get to see you guys again.
Good morning, friends. Happy Friday. So today we are going to do something similar to what Miss Chofi did, and it's basically recycling. Once again, we're recycling. So the question of the day is, why do we recycle? We recycle because we need to reduce waste, and we need to be able to use things over and over again, because the more we produce and the more we make things, it's not good for the earth or the environment. So the best thing to do is recycle, okay? So today I'm going to show you a few pieces of garbage that I found in my home. So I have a metal can here. I have a candle that it's garbage because I can't light it anymore. I have a used mask that I wore this to the store over my face to protect myself, and now it can't really be used anymore. And I also have just paper that I had to get rid of. So what I did was I printed recycling logos on the computer, and I colored it in myself. So this is glass and plastic and metals. So that's for that. That's the blue. The green one I have here is for papers only. Okay. And I also have a regular garbage can. You see that? And I printed all of this and colored it myself. So if you would like, maybe you could do the same thing. Find 3 bags. Whatever bags you have. I know you're not going to have the same exact ones. And put the logo on each bag, right? And then you could show your mom and your dad or your family members and show them what garbage goes where, okay? So today, you're going to do that with me. So I'm going to actually put this back up here. Okay, this is regular garbage. And this is the green one. So I'm going to ask my friends, this is metal, right? This is a metal can. It's garbage. And I want to recycle it. So where do my friends think this is going to go? Is it going to go in the blue garbage, the green garbage, or the regular garbage? Just think about that for a second and tell your family member where this would go. It's metal. Okay, if you guess that this metal goes into the blue recycling bag, you are correct. This blue recycling bag is for glass, metals, and plastic. So I'm going to go ahead and put my garbage, recycle it. I'm going to recycle my garbage and put it into the blue. Now, this is a face mask. Like I said, I used it to go outside, okay? I wore it already and I was outside. It has a ton of germs on it. So can I recycle this? Can I recycle it in the blue with the glass and the metal? Can I recycle it into the paper one? Or can I throw it out in the garbage? Which one do you think the dirty mask goes into? Just take a second and think about it. If you guess the regular garbage can, you are correct. The dirty mask goes into the regular garbage can. And the reason for that is because it has a ton of germs that you cannot reuse. So that means you cannot recycle it. It has to be gone forever. Okay? Now the next one is paper. This is garbage. I don't want to throw this out forever. So where do you think that this could be recycled into? Can it be recycled into the blue, the green, or the regular garbage? What do my friends think where the paper goes? If you guessed green, you are correct. Paper goes into the green recycling bin. Okay? Now, for the final one, I have glass. Okay? This is garbage. It's a cancel. I can't use it anymore. Where does this cancel go? Just think about it for a second. If you guess the blue garbage can, you are correct. Glass goes into the blue with the metal. Okay, so there goes all my 3 garbage cans. So now at home, maybe you could do the same with your family member. So once you're done with all that, I would love to maybe see a video or pictures and post it, okay? I would love to see you guys. Have fun. Have a good weekend, everyone.